side by side. We've walked the miles, we've crossed the lines. No matter where life leads us, we'll be fine. 'Cause you'll always be a friend of mine. Every laugh,
Ang
every
ganda.
tear, we held on through every fear. The roads we took, every dance, and every moment we took.
Hello vlog.
Now I see it clear through the highs and lows. Every step we took, every place we go. You were always there, like the stars that shine. A constant friend through the test of time. Through the years we've been side by side. We've walked the miles, we've crossed the lines. No matter where life leads us, we'll be fine. 'Cause you'll always be a friend.
It's snowing. Kasi wala yung isa.
Ito ang bakasyonan ko.
Diyan ba?
Takay na sarili.
Dito daw tayo sa unahan.
What country are you from?
Philippines.
Oh, Venus. Venus is 3 times.
3 years.
Pampanga.
Pampanga.
United States base.
Yes.
Yes.
In Clark.
Clark. Dun sa ano?
Crack.
Clark.
Yes.
Going to Nagano. Thank you.
Kamote, inabox.
Ganda ng packaging oh.
Baka tumapong pa yan, ha?
Mahal-mahal eh. Oh. Stop! Bibili pa ako.
Natin saan? Kay Aileen. Aileen, oh, tingnan mo yung kamote nila imported. Walang ulalo.
Oh. Stop!
Ayaw nga. Sweet potato.
Bibili pa ako.
Oh, ano? Nakabili ka na.
Bumili ako mas malaki.
Sarap.
Ayoko na, hirap ako mag-usap. May lounge dito. Gantay muna tayo. Ganun lang.
Pili ka na. Dean and Delo. Tama ba yung pronunciation?
Oh.
Hello, vlog.
For chicken. Sige. I want the Japanese fare. Would you make something for me? Can I have apple juice? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Get some apple juice.
Ang ganda nito. Pwede kang mag-iwan ng baggage mo.
Hi. Welcome to Nagano.
Okay, kuha tayo ng ating toiletries.
Parang saging lang.
Tagtawag. Parang may nakit.
Teka, kukuha. Bye.
Tara, kape muna tayo. Meron din silang rental station. Lahat ng kailangan mo andyan na. Welcome to our room. Yan, may quick room tour lang. Ay, ang ganda. Lumig. Anong oras na? What's the meaning, sir?
Everything.
Everything? Money? Money help.
Good day. Bibili ko to.
Okay. Happiness. Good health. We have good health.
Good Harris?
Yes.
Good Harris.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Hindi, Kuma.
Anong title? Daming bear. Daming prayers ng kids. Prayer for daddy daw yan. Anong
Kailan kakagat ka mo?
aga na? Uwi na tayo? Lamig eh. Ay, kita. Yun ang vlog ko. Ay, Ayan, parang masarap yung grilled oyaki. Eh, parang ano lang yan eh. Sa atin eh, anong tawag doon? Hindi, ano yan? Karawaki. Anong karyoka? Lamig. Ayan o, ang ganda o.
Starbucks pala to.
Ay, ang dami naman tao.
Grabe yung tao.
Wala naman.
arigato.
Arigato gozaimashita. See you tomorrow.
It's our second day here and hopefully kayanin natin yung snow at yung lamig. Oh, take off your shoes. Ay, nag-snow kagabi. Kasi ayun oh, pati na yung parking. Ang ganda. Juice, coffee.
Parang magkakakulay siya.
Ito tingin.
4, 6. Tayo sa bus stop 7. Wala, may pila na.
Mahirapan nga ba?
Life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish.
Thank you. We're here. Hello. Say hi. Hi to the vlog. We're here.
Sabi, hindi naman totoong snow yun.
Hi. Ay, hindi ko so many snow. Wala ko solo. Ako hindi wala solo. Halika, laro tayo.
Uno maganda.
Cellphone ko, busit ka.
Para na akong oso. Teka, madulas eh.
It's snowing. Kasi wala yung isa. Hi, sir. Hi. Look at my hair. Oh.
Magko-coffee muna tayo. Coffee. Sige. Lagi. Ipapanood ko lang yung snow.
Itong bakasyonan ko,
Diyan ba? Pwede bang makapag-coffee dyan?
itong sasakyan ko, hindi ko magamit.
Saan? Ay siya nga. Hindi naman yan si Tot eh. Ganda.
Ayun siya, pag ginaw. Gawa tayo halo-halo.
We've walked the miles, we've crossed the lines. No matter where life leads us, we'll be fine. 'Cause you'll always be a friend of mine.
We are back in the city.
Time ball. Ito oh.
Power banks. Wala tuloy. Kunin mo na yan. Snoopy AirPods. Yun. Maganda to.
Kailangan natin to sa dami ng nilakad natin.
Ubus na yan. Ito oh, pang kape. KitKat. Ah, okay.
Pang-lock lang.
Ito kaya? Parang ito yun eh. Number 1, hindi ko din sure kung totoo number 1.
Ang lumig. Daan tayo dito sa connecting bridge. Dito sa kabila yung Don Quixote. Tapos, connecting siya dito sa mall.
Kasi baka gusto ng wagyu.
Huwag na, coco rice na may sarsa. Ganda to.
Masarap din kung may kanin eh.
Rice is sold out. Sabi niya. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Kakain ka lang.
Kailangan pa magbubad. Hindi ko na sa tapos na.
Kain lang. Kailangan ko na
Ano yung sauce? Hindi nakita ko sauce. So yan.
Oo. Ay, nandun.
Baka hindi ako magising maaga.
Eh ako naman last minute sabi ko, ano nga bang ulhas? Sasarap mo.
Ay,
More candies.
One more candy.
And coffee.
Ay, okay.
Mm.
それあれですよね、タイズの、あんどうだっけな。
It's snowing.
運転してもいいよだって。運転してもいいよだって。それちょっと
Going to
Going to... Saan tayo pupunta, Seth?
Hakuba.
Hakuba. Yan yung bus.
Kilalim, punta tayo kilalim.
Hakuba yun.
Akuba.
Hi, Kiki. Gojo sanarimasu. Yoyoku kami ha.
Tikit.
1, 2. Here. CD.
CD.
To be proud, and my love is all I have to give, and my heart is what I'm dealing with, and my love is all I have to give, and my heart is what I'm dealing with now. You allow
Hakuba Station. Dito yung bus stop. Tapos, dito din tayo kukuha ng Uber papunta dun sa resort.
Minato Hotel.
Yes. We're here. Ano nakita mo?
Labubo. Nakaganto. Lababo. Yung nakaganon sa tenga.
Oo nga, no? Thank you.
Ulam mo.
Nandiyan ka pa rin. Three? How much?
8,700. 3 adult. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Arigato gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。
Ready.
Tingin ako. Taga dito kaya ate.
Sabi mo? Sasakay tayo ng gondola.
Eh, taxi time. Pabalik.
Hi! Let's go! Ay, kabilang linya. Yung, madulas, sobra. Three.
3, okay. Hi.
Okay. Three.
どうぞ。
And my love is all I have to.
Ayun na, Bi, para mahuhulog. Ang loli!
may bahay dito. Oh.
Here na.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Get believe na makakarating tayo. Isang snow.
Ang daming tao. Okay, kain muna tayo saglit. Bago tayo maglaro sa snow.
Bigdaw tayo to. Ginaw. Oh, di ba hindi na nakakatakot.
Kaya kuha tayo niya, no?
Pili ka maganda. Lalakad mo. Baka madulas ka, Bi, ha? Ganyan na. Finally. Hello. Sabi din. Ang ganda pala itong pampapayat. Ayun. Zero na to, sir. Negative. Ay, baka madulas. Ang lamig.
We've been side by side. We've walked the miles, we've crossed the lines. No matter where life leads us, we'll be fine. 'Cause you'll always be a friend of mine. Through the storms, through the endless night, we've held each other, we fought the fight. No matter what the future leaves behind, you'll always be a friend of mine. You'll always be a friend of mine.
Ay, nauga.
I'm dreaming. Ang dami nila, oh. Langgam.
Galing talaga nung iba.
We are here. Yes. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Sam.
And we're back in Hakuba Station.
Going to Nagano Station.
Nagano Station, your reservation?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, and that one is, yeah. The 5
Bus stop
minutes
number
before-
1.
Yeah, this one under the roof.
Alright.
5 minutes before, you please come here.
Alright.
Please, okay?
Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Coffee muna. Arigato. Bye.
Naku, ayan na naman yung snow.
Walang tigil ang ulan. Hello, this is our ticket.
Ah, yes, just please show to this screen to the driver.
Driver.
Please. Yes.
Alright,
And
thank
the
you.
reservation faster, you can go fast.
First? Okay, thank you. There.
中に見せていただきお願いします。プリーズショー。 Please your ticket, show the driver.
Yes. Hello.
Your seat number. Okay, alright.
Okay?
Okay, alright.
Alright.
So remember.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.
Doon tayo galing sa bundok. Yung taas. Sana pala tinulak mo na lang ako para din na tayo nag-taxi. Mahal ng taxi. No?
Oo, mahal ng taxi natin. Daya agad.
Yun nga, sana tinulak mo na lang, nagtulakan na lang tayo. Para na akong sister. Ginaw na ginaw.
Ginaw kaya? Okay. It's time to
We
sleep.
were young, chasing dreams, didn't know what life would mean. Running wild, hearts full of fire. The world was ours, we reached higher. We held on through every fear. The roads we took, the nights we danced. In every moment we took a chance. Now I see it clear through the highs and lows. Every step we took, every place we go. You were always there, like the stars that shine. A constant friend through the test of time. Through the years we've been side by side. We've walked the miles, we've crossed the lines. No matter where life leads us, we'll be fine. 'Cause you'll always be a friend of mine.